Hi, beloveds. One question I get asked often is, how do I ask for a raise? The better question to ask is, why do you think you deserve a raise in the first place? Your answer to that question will guide you to your how to ask. So first, list all the reasons why you think you deserve a raise. Look at your list. You might notice that there's some reasons that your employer may simply, not care about. And for example, if you listed, because I work hard and I want to afford a more expensive vacation, that's great, but your employer may not agree. So those items you listed, that may be true, but your employer might not, go for it. So put them in one column. Let's call them column A, those things that, feel good for you, but the employer may not go for. That's column A. And then the other reasons that your employer might actually care about, let's put them in another column. We'll call that, column B. So you have your column A of things that feel good for you, and you have column B that those are things your employer may be like, yeah, I could get with that, So A would be like your intrinsic motivation, okay? So use those items in column A when you're feeling nervous, when you feel like you might give up. And then use those items in column B as talking points when you're asking for that salary increase. Okay, and then another thing, asking for a raise, it's just like networking, okay? So you don't start when you think you need it. You must be nurturing your network at all times. This way your network is always there for you. If you wait to start being nice and friendly with people when you need something, it can come off really badly. And people can just smell your desperation like a mile away. So don't do that. And remember, we are talking about career wellness here. For example, if you want to fit into that outfit for a special occasion, you don't start your health routine the day or even the week before. Deep, meaningful, long-lasting change takes time. And that's what a salary increase is. This is deep and meaningful. This salary increase will compound year after year. So it's a big deal. It's a deep, long-lasting change. Successful negotiation of a raise, this takes time, okay? It takes documentation, it takes critical thinking, and some grace. So before asking for a raise or otherwise negotiating your salary, you should always be updating your resume with your work duties and accomplishments. Always and regularly updating your resume is a healthy spiritual career wellness habit, okay? Don't just update your resume when it's time to look for a job. If you do that, it will take longer. It will be more time consuming and stressful, not to mention other things. Plus, it will also be less accurate because you won't be able to remember much of what you did. So anyway, take a look at your resume and the updates you've made. And you could also create an electronic folder, let's say on your computer, with all of the kudos and praise that you've received. So review your resume updates and review your kudos folder. And then take note of when you delivered beyond expectations, where you took on new responsibilities or higher level responsibilities, potentially above your current pay grade. Take note of when you mentored others, volunteered for projects that impacted the company or the organization's bottom line. Take note of when you attended conferences or training that you brought that knowledge back to the workplace with positive results. Take note of emails from customers and colleagues where they said great, wonderful things about you. So remember, your career situation directly impacts, our financial, emotional, physical, spiritual wellness. It's all holistic. And so if you value your wellness, your career wellness, just private message me to learn more about scheduling a spiritual career direction wellness visit with me. And then additionally, if you'd like to learn more about salary negotiation, join me at my next Strategies for Successful Salary Negotiation mini workshop. I offer it as an open enrollment opportunity, or you can also request this mini workshop for your private group or organization. So private message me or email me for details. All right, see you again soon. Happy salary negotiating. Bye-bye.